Who's going to be the next Chief Minister of Kerala? Well, early indications suggest that V.D. Satheesan seems to be having the numbers. In fact, CNN News 18 sources do confirm to us, according to some of the party numbers given within the party itself, the internal count, we understand that V.D. Satheesan is having the backing of nearly 32 MLAs, and that's ahead of K.C. Venugopal, who has only 22. Ramesh Chennitala has six of the MLAs backing him, and a small group aligned with the High Command's choice. Now, according to sources, V.D. Satheesan is backed by around 32 MLAs, which I will repeat again, ahead of K.C. Venugopal, who has 22 in support of him, and Ramesh Chennitala, who has 6 in support of him. Sources say that the shift is quite clear now during consultations between the Congress High Command and Kerala leaders after the UDF's victory. It appears that the numbers are stacking up in favor of V.D. Satheesan. Within the party, however, there have been efforts to continue to project K.C. Venugopal, a senior AICC leader, closer to the national leadership as a strong contender. This is what sources tell us, that there is, of course, a bid to push for K.C. Venugopal, though he does not have the numbers internally on the ground. Reports do suggest there are competing camps as well. And these camps are right now almost facing off with one another, pushing for their favorable candidate. But clearly here, V.D. Satheesan, having 32 MLAs, hands down, seems to be the more favored choice. You also have Prime Minister Modi who spoke on this. In fact, Modi took a swipe at the Congress on this, saying that the party is spending more time on internal disputes than governance itself, and is still unable to decide on its chief ministerial face in Kerala. I'm going to take it.